What's up?
I like to think about my life in terms of how I'm going to be reflecting on it when I'm older.
Hey, man.
How you doing?
I'm kind of preparing myself for that by giving myself lots of beautiful memories to look back on.
Moving out here made me realize like nature matters and you can always make time for the things that matter.
I've been hiking for over 10 years now, and I've never really thought about the people behind the scenes that work on the trails to keep them as pretty as they are for me.
Trails don't just happen, they were created and they're maintained, and it takes people to do that. This is something that we just take totally for granted.
Hi guys, I'm Skip.
Hey, Skip.
Trail restoration is really important. If we don't do maintenance on this trail, within 2 years, it'll be almost unpassable.
We actually on the actual AT right now.
This is the Appalachian Trail. You're standing on it. I have not lost faith in the younger generation any way, shape, or form. Here we got one that's sticking out. You want to go way back, close to the branch, put them out in the woods, put a challenge in front of them. Who wants to bust first? Trail building is hard work. What you want to do is cut off both sides of it. You go through it with these folks and they become family. You gotta clear that.
Working with Skip reminded me that it's important to give back to the community. Get off of your phone, disconnect from the world for a little bit. You know, you don't have to be alone to do that. It's just a beautiful thing.